Here we are with the BMW 3.0. This is the firewall and door support and such. Now this was all rotted away, and as you can see, this is new steel, properly repaired. There's a new panel. This whole structure has been rebuilt, and the repairs extend up into the windshield frame across towards the middle of the car, where we also have this repaired area, and we transition into this rebuilt section. And you can see that the insides of the rocker sills are renewed. Now these runs and such here, those are the protective finishes that will keep these inner structures, which you can't see in the finished car, from rusting. Here, going around into the back wheel opening, you can see how the repair starts in the wheel well, and then this inner structure is repaired with new metal. Then this piece here is a cap over that. Then we have this piece, which is the base for this pillar. Yeah, the B-post. And this area here is the area that is so notorious for rusting out in these 3.0 cars. And as you can see, there's no rust in it anymore. This is full strength. The next step is going to be to weld the outer layers of steel onto here. So this has made tremendous progress. There's the firewall in front from the inside. Here is the inner rocker sill structure seen from inside. And there it is. This is the door sill, and we're looking back here into an area that was all rotted away before. So this is all rebuilt as strong as new.